visit a terracotta workshop. We've been visiting the same one every year with our Cook Like a Tuscan trip because they make amphora, which are those big terracotta vessels you can see in the back there to age wine. So it's an Etruscan tradition that they're helping to keep going. And on the first full day of the tour, you visit a winery called Altiero, and they actually have a wine that they're aging in amphora from this terracotta workshop. So it's sort of full circle and fun, and it's amazing to taste that wine. They use an indigenous grape, so it's a neat experience. You will make lots of pasta because this is a real hands-on um, tour. We have 4 hands-on cooking classes as part of it. And here are the fearless leaders, Andrea and Victoria. Another view of the villa. There's lots of roses and hedges of rosemary. It's very atmospheric. And then looking straight out there, it's just all vineyard. That's part of the Fontati wine estate. So you might recognize the name Fontati. It's very well known across the world, but definitely in the US, it's easy to find. A lot of people after this tour, then they see Fontati everywhere on wine lists. They didn't notice it before, but they're like, oh my gosh, Fontati. We have a wood-fired pizza evening. It's fun to just sit out, have a little spritz like these gals are doing. That's the view behind. It's not a green screen. It's real. It's amazing. Um, this is a butchery cooking class, making pasta at Badia al Coltibono. They're also a famous winery and wine family, and they make olive oil that I have at my grocery store. So you might see that around too. But it's a absolutely gorgeous place to visit. The vignettes, love them. Love all these little squash things, and they just always make things look so beautiful. I love this kitchen. You already saw that photo. Florence, the Duomo behind these ladies at Magic Hour. Another Magic Hour view of sunset. Squash. Yeah. So Tuscany is amazing. It's time over, I guess year over year, we do the tour, we tweak it a teeny bit each time, but we feel like it's something that we've more or less perfected. And if you're looking for a week in Tuscany of cooking, we have got that for you.